Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add photos to your Gumtree ad. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gumtree.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Gumtree website. Click on the account icon at the top right corner and proceed with your login credentials if you haven't logged into your account already. After logging in, if you wish to add a photo onto your existing ad, then click on the menu icon at the top right and click on Manage My Ads. From the Manage My Ads page, locate the ad within which you wish to add your photo and then click on the three dots at the right side. Then click on Edit Ad to end up within the Ad Update page. From this page, you can click on the camera icon in order to upload your photo. Once you choose your image file, this will be added onto the Photos section. You can click on the camera icon once again and add multiple photos if you wish to do so. If you add multiple photos, you can also reorder them by simply dragging them around. Once you have added your desired pictures, scroll down and click on Update My Ad. You can also add pictures to a new ad that you create by simply adding your photos using the same method. And there you have it. That is how you can add photos to your Gumtree ads. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.